All right, let's take a start. We are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and your topic is sharing.
Yes.
Sharing is
Caring.
caring, right? Let's start. Did you share anything with others recently or have you shared anything with others recently? Present perfect.
दोनों में से कोई भी आंसर कर सकता है आप दो पता है
Up to you. तू साडी वीडियो खराब करेगा. All right.
I just shared my recently mobile with friends. That's why he needs to he wants very he needs mobile.
Listen. Just try to think in simple way, right? The first thing, have you ever shared anything recently? Say, very recently I shared my mobile with my friend. His mobile was lost and he didn't have any other mobile. So I had one old mobile. I gave that to him. To answer your question, very recently I shared my old mobile with my friend. Just like this simple.
Yes,
Easy and all that, okay, let's go on. Did your parents teach you to share things when you were a child, Kaka?
Yes, I was child.
When I was a child,
when I was a child, my parents
taught
me to share something with friends because it is very good habit
it was a very good habit.
And sharing is caring is all.
Yeah, sharing is caring.
Caring.
So I snatched candies from other children because my parents. Just joking.
Yes.
What kind of things do you like to share with others?
There are many kind of things I like to share with friends.
Good.
Like recently, I share some candies with friend because he sing very
He sang.
he sang to me, and when and he saw me to eat. I eat some candies and I share some.
Are you clear? Just a second. Let's hold on for a minute. I asked you one question in Urdu. Let me read your mind. हाँ? आप कौन सी चीज़ें अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करते हैं?
उर्दू
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें शेयर करता हूँ
उर्दू च नहीं बोल रहे हाँ? Don't know how to answer in Urdu. How will you speak English?
Okay, sir.
So the problem is not with the language. The problem is with your thoughts.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes.
Yeah. आप कौन सी चीज़ें अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर? मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ हर चीज़ शेयर करता हूँ जिसकी उनको ज़रूरत हो. Something like that. So work on your thoughts. Work on ideas.
Yes, sir.
You are lacking ideas and you are the victim of complexity of thoughts. You know, sometimes we think in a complex way.
Yes, sir.
So you should keep it simple. One last question. What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
I think one thing is not suitable for share, like bike, because I don't like to share my bikes because I need to frequently travel.
For traveling. So that is why I think
know.
bikes are not suitable for
For
sharing.
sharing.
So please focus on your ideas. Your
Yes.
issue is not the language mainly, it's the lack of ideas.
Lack.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go on. Patience is the topic. Were you patient when you were young? Were you patient means did you have patience when you were young?
Yes, I was absolutely patient when I was young. The main reason is that my parents taught me that patience is the key of success in
Key
your
to success.
key to success in your daily life, and patience doesn't trigger angerness, which can cause a major fight or some discrepancies between people. Therefore, I was patient when I was young.
Excellent, very good answer. How do you feel when other people are not patient?
Well, I do feel bad about it because everyone should respect each other and solve problems with patience rather than arguing and getting into big fights, which could cause trouble for both the sides as well. Therefore, people should be patient in their daily life.
Okay. Are you less or more patient when you are angry?
Angerness directly causes a person to lose his patience because you don't know what exactly the situation is and you can get things out of control over there. Therefore, angerness causes patience to lose.
All right. Do you think we need patience in our personal life?
Yes, patience is the key to success in personal life, as you won't get into any trouble of any sort, and things could be sorted out in an easy way. Therefore, patience is necessary in your personal life.
All right, this is good. Well, I'll you just text me on WhatsApp. I'll send you the link of my speaking videos with other candidates.
Yes, sir.
Listen to them, see how they answer. Right? For example, play the video. I ask a question, one candidate answers, then pause it before the next question. Then you answer the same question. Then play the video. I'll ask a question, one candidate will answer, then pause it and answer that.
Yes,
So that you get a lot of idea. Work
Yes.
hard with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thank you.